Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about diverticula. What is diverticula? It is a outpouching of a hollow structure inside the body. Okay, it's of two types: false one, false diverticula, and true diverticula. Okay, now see carefully. This is bowel. Okay, this is mesentery, and we all know that mesentery have a lymph vascular supply. What is mesentery? Mesentery is an organ that joins the intestine to the posterior abdominal wall. Okay, so see now. Imagine there is a constipation, and due to which there will be increased intraluminal pressure. Okay, due to increased intraluminal pressure, there will be outpouching of wall of intestine, bowel. Okay, see like that. There is herniation of wall. Okay, now this is a acquired condition. Multiple herniation is seen. Herniation involves mucosa and submucosa. That's why known as false. Okay, and true involves all the layer. And see, herniation is towards the mesentery. Towards mesentery. Okay, example can be diverticula of esophagus, stomach, colon, etc. Okay, now second one. What is true diverticula? Again diagram. Make side by side. This is bowel. This is lymph vascular supply in mesentery. Okay, see, herniation is there. You can tell this one is congenital. Okay, due to presence of vitelline intestinal duct. Presence of vitelline intestinal duct or omphallomesenteric duct. Omphallomesenteric duct. Okay, see, single herniation here was multiple, single one. It involves, I earlier told you, involves in true involvement of all layers. And this is anti-mesentery. Okay, opposite side to the mesentery, anti-mesentery. Mesentery. And example is Meckel's diverticula. Now we will discuss about Meckel's diverticula. Okay, here learn rule of 2. It is 2 inch long, present in 2% population, and 2 feet from ileocecal. Okay, now next, again draw the diagram. Here is bowel, Meckel's diverticula. Okay, lymph vascular supply. Now see, if there is ectopic mucosa here, ectopic mucosa, most commonly it's gastric then pancreatic, and then colonic. Learn GPC. Okay. It is gastric. Here there will be acid production. There will be ulcer in ileum, due to which there will be lower GI bleeding. It's the most common symptom if they ask you symptom presentation, that is GI bleeding. Now, most common symptom presentation in adults, it is abdominal pain. Okay. Now, why there is abdominal pain? Causes: number 1, torsion. See, here the bowel, diverticula. It's connected to umbilicus by a fibrous pad. This is fibrous pad, and here is umbilicus. Okay. Due to torsion, it leads to midgut volvulus. मीन्स ये रोटेट कर जाएंगे. ओब्यो अगर रोटेट करेगा मिडगट तो पेन तो होएगी. नंबर 1 टॉर्जन. नंबर 2 इज इंटरसेप्शन. So check the spellings. 1, what is intussusception? It is a condition in which part of intestine telescopes into itself. मीन्स कि अगर ड्योडेनम का पार्ट है, इट विल टेलीस्कोप, वो थोड़ा सा जजनम के अंदर चल जाएगा. ओके. टेलीस्कोप्स, कंडीशन इन विच पार्ट्स ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन telescope itself. Okay, clear? And number 3, diverticulitis. Okay, it is the inflammation due to which there will be a pain. Okay. And next one is lower quadrant pain, fever, and leukocytosis. Okay. Now, important point. Macus diverticulum pain mimics acute appendicitis pain. Okay. Now see, on exploring if appendix is normal, we have to screen the 2 feet part of the ileum to check either there is Macus diverticulum or not. Okay. On exploring if appendix is normal, screen 2 feet of ileum to check presence of Macus diverticulum. Okay. Next, diagnosis. If ectopic mucosa is present, we have to do pertechinate scan. And if it is absent, we have to do enterocyclisis. Okay. Now treatment. See, here is the diverticula, Michaels. Make the two diagrams. If the base is clear, okay, we have to do diverticulectomy. Plus anastomosis means यहाँ से कट करेंगे, diverticular को रिमूव करेंगे. See, like this it will be. Okay. And if the base is unclear, this was base clear. If base is unclear, we have to do resection. See, plus anastomosis. So we completed with Michaels diverticulum. Thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.